Had no intention of doing any videos, but I guess this is a random unboxing of the FIIDO. Again at Synergy with Sam. So, looks like the FIIDO is gonna be the new company vehicle. The FIIDO is an LTA compliant. It's around 17.4 kilos. Comes with a basket and very ideal for doing deliveries. Even has a child seat in front. It's a geared model versus the DYU's brushless model, so it's a little bit louder, but it's going to give you a lot more torque. So if you're going to be carrying someone in the front, I think it would be a lot more ideal in that sense. So here I am riding the FIIDO. Thoughts about the FIIDO? Again, between the DYU and this feels a little bit more stable. Other than that, the speed is exactly the same. Now, the one good thing about the seats between this and the DYU is that the seats over here, stock, it's got memory foam. So with memory foam seats, obviously it's a lot more comfortable. The kiddie seat in front is also memory foam. So okay, let me just make sure I don't hit into anyone. Excuse me. Thank you. So yeah, you got memory seats for both the main seat as well as the kiddie seat. So at least you won't have a problem riding it for long distances. You will not have a problem. The people you're ferrying will not have a problem. Very comfortable on the bum. So your ass is not gonna hurt. Out of the box with all the accessories. The price of the FIIDO is, the list price is $630. It's available from Synergy Scooters. So definitely check them out when you have the time. I'm just going to give you some of the differences again between the DYU and the FIIDO. If you need extended range, the DYU would be a better bet because it would still be below 20 kilos. Now, the FIIDO, straight out of the box, it's gonna be 17 odd kilos. So if you're gonna slap on additional batteries, it's gonna go over the weight limit. So definitely not ideal. But if you are purchasing the FIIDO and just commuting, I would say within a 30-kilometer radius, and with all the accessories that comes along with it, then I think hands down the FIIDO would be a much better bet versus the DYU. Okay, back at the shop, and this is the very quick overview on the FIIDO. As you can see here, it's got an integrated tube down here, so that's where all the batteries are stored. The alarm is inside here. That's where all the wires are coming out from. You have this additional compartment here is actually very convenient. You can just slot whatever you need to slot inside here. The rear basket is very handy if you're going to be doing deliveries and stuff. The geared motor, again, the advantage is that once it has enough torque, it's going to be able to carry a lot more weight, I assume. Huge benefit. Memory foam. Not the best looking thing around, not the best looking seat around, but definitely very comfortable. So overall, if you need something straight out of the box without having to spend any additional money, I don't think you can go wrong, with a footprint like this. And this very interesting locking mechanism. I'm not sure whether is this a standard for all the FIIDOs, but this one actually has This is how you actually turn it on and off. You have electronic controller. Okay. Then you press twice and it's on. You want to turn it off and it's off. So pretty straightforward, and again something that can be quite useful if you feel that you just want to park it somewhere and you've got the convenience of having an electronic almost car-like device to lock and unlock your PMD. FIIDO, and today I want to see exactly how much weight the FIIDO can actually carry. I weigh about 64 kilos and I'm getting someone who's going to be weighing in the region of about probably 84 kilos. How heavy are you?
I'm like 83, 4.
Okay, so SK is 84 and we are going to ride the FIIDO and see how well it can carry both our weights. Yeah, I tried. So it's about 84 plus 64, so that's 148 kilos on the FIIDO right now. And we're going for a test. Whoa! God! Is the tire flat? Is the rear tire flat? Behind tire? Is it flat?
Yeah, very.
Huh? Very low?
Yeah.
Very low, yeah.
Okay, then. So this is evidence that the FIIDO can handle up to about 150 kilos of weight. So this is the best case example of using a FIIDO, because if you need to ferry anyone around, it's not going to be a problem at all. So there you have it, the final weight test, and obviously it is something that you can definitely consider if you're looking for a PMD. It was a little bit uncomfortable because that was, that was an extreme example of someone that you'll be carrying on the FIIDO, but hey, it passed the test. So that's gonna conclude the video for the FIIDO. I hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
This is so fun!
Yeah,
Not bad, what?
Yeah. I say this on you.